Mga ubes, mga Jaycationers, nandito kami sa Kayangan Lake. Beautiful, look at all the limestones and stuff. The water is perfect. Good morning, Jaycationers. Magandang umaga, mga ubes. Today's vlog is going to be a proper travel video. We're here in Coron. The rain has stopped. Yesterday was useless. It was like raining all day non-stop, brownouts and everything. I think today's good enough to do some sort of tour. So I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do, but I'm going to this place called Kayangan Tours. I talked to the owner, she's gonna help me out, and we're gonna walk over there and pick a tour. Yeah, let's go tour Coron. We're here at Kayangan Tours right now. We're booking our tour for today. We're gonna do the Ultimate Tour. Thanks to Edmund. Edmund, can you say hi?
Hello.
That's Edmund. He's helping us out today.
Opa.
And yeah, I'm gonna link them below so you guys know where to come here, where to book. It's like a 10-minute walk from the main part of town. You come here and this is the meeting area for your tour. And it's raining a little right now, but we're going a little further, so we'll see if the weather's nicer out there. So this tour was 1,600 Philippine pesos. I'm here with Natalie, and she's from Perth, and yeah, we're hostel mates, and we wanted a tour today, and she was the only one that was game to go out in this weather. I came up with that quote, I think I mentioned it in the last vlog, don't let the rain be an excuse to wash your dreams away. And my dream was to tour around Coron, and I only got a few days left. She's only got 1 day left.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna tour.
Yeah.
Screw the weather. I don't know if I'm gonna put my drone up though, so go watch Death by Vlog. My friends Ryan and Stacia, they had beautiful shots from Coron while they were here. So watch their vlog for the beautiful stuff. Watch my vlog just to watch my vlog. Alright, so we're on an e-trike right now here with Edmund. It's raining hard, but they're taking us to the port from Kayangan. Yeah, we're gonna start our tour. I know it's shaky. We're weathering the storm right now. The Coast Guard is not gonna let us go unless it's safe. Yeah, we're just here at the port. It's shaky. Everyone's wet. So guys, you know, I cover the real stuff, and yeah, today is not a good day. So they're telling us, you know, if the Coast Guard cancel it, it's for our safety. And yeah, we're not gonna get the beautiful shots that we wanted. It might keep raining, so I'm not gonna let it get me down. Over here, it's the safest because we're tied to the dock. If we go out there, it gets windier and windier. Better safe than sorry. They were telling me that because there's hills and mountains over here, the wind is not as crazy as it is in El Nido, because El Nido is in the open season. That's where we're going next. Well, we might go next. I might have to change this up, make an executive decision. So we'll see.
So the tour is alright, the weather is alright, so the tour is okay. So let's go.
Salamat! Ito ang owner sa boat. Romel.
Yes.
Alright guys, so it's a go. We'll see if this weather sticks up. Never know what we'll run into today. So travel tip. Remember last year when we were in Croatia and I lost my GoPro under the sea? Flashback.
Ariel, listen to me. The human world, it's a mess.
I learned my lesson and I got a floaty. And I'm gonna be using the GoPro a lot today because especially if we have to submerge in the water, yeah, we're gonna do our best. We're gonna do our best today. Hopefully get the drone up at some point. Guys, you already know how I am with my drone, so pray for Jay the Drone Jr. Kamusta mga ubes at mga Jaycationers? Dito kami sa Coron and we're gonna tour today. Bibiyahe kami sa bangka. Got the life vest on. We're about ready to go. We're just waiting for a few more passengers. Hopefully this weather sticks up. There are no blue skies, so beggars can't be choosers. Alright guys, while we're waiting here, a few things that you should pick up for these trips are water shoes, because there's a lot of rocky land, and yeah, your flip-flops just won't cut it. And also one of these you want to put in your face to cover yourself from like fumes and whatnot. These things, simple stuff.
Okay, ma'am, sir. The Coron Island is not her. The Coron Island is a sleeping giant. Coron town is a part of the Busuanga. The island of Busuanga is 2 municipalities. Suanga, and Coron. First destination is Twin Lagoon. The water of Twin Lagoon is thermocline water. Cold, warm, cold, warm, cold. 70% salt water and 30% freeze water.
And now for your first Filipino joke of the day from Jay, our tour guide.
What is the first name of Nemo? The first name of Nemo in Coron is Angkor Nemo.
So Jay is telling me that the island of Coron is shaped like a sleeping giant lying down with its arms up. He's asking me if it's male or female. It looks like female to me because of the curves. Y'all know what I'm saying. Alright guys, we're on top of the boat.
I'm on a boat! I'm on a boat!
The rock formations entering the Coron Island. Dude, look how blue that water is, guys. Wow. Aqua. We weathered the storm, Natalie.
We did, we did.
Now we gotta get the life jackets on. Drone flight was a success. Now I'm not gonna fly it close to these limestone rock formations because I've heard bunches of drones crashing into it, and knowing me, I'd probably crash it into it. So I hope that was good enough, guys. You know, doing my best life.
Said I'm living my best life. Said I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's with.
Alright guys, let's do this. Alright guys, I don't know how much you can hear me, but we're here in the second part of the lagoon, of Twin Lagoon, and it's freaking beautiful. I love it here. But we're gonna go back, we're gonna go to the next place. That's Jay. Alright guys, we're climbing up the ladder now. Yeah, we're on a private tour right now, guys. Yep, we got lucky. So Luis Suarez over there, that's sailing away. He's the 7-Eleven of CYC Beach. I got my red horse, 60 pesos, and my San Mig light. You know, I figure I'd fill up now because y'all know I'm about that beer life. Let's go! Hi everybody!
Join us.
Just flew the drone. Just this little small beach with a white sand. It's not that nice of a day, but we're making the best of it. CYC Beach is the only public beach here in Coron. You can go check out the little corals and all that stuff here, and also go into the beach. I showed you 7-Eleven at CYC, which is that dude wearing the number 9 Luis Suarez Uruguay shirt. Ano to? 40? 40. 40. Salamat. Buy one get one for 80.
180.
Filipino joke of the day. Snorkeling is not really my thing, and the white sands beach here is a small white sands beach. Too many people, so can't really get a nice gram shot. It's nice to look from here, so I'm just gonna stay here, drink a San Mig Light, 60 pesos from my boy 7-Eleven Luis Suarez. Have fun, Natalie.
You're not coming?
Musta, Romel?
Good, Yoy.
Anong pangalan ng ship mo?
Deep Blue 2.
Deep Blue 2.
Yeah.
We're here at Malawawi Island. This is where a shipwreck is. So yeah, we're gonna go down and snorkel a little bit and look at the shipwreck. It's beautiful here. It's a little windy, but I'm just looking at all the hills and stuff with the limestones. It's insane here. Jaycation. Our tour guide's name is Jay. So it's freaking pouring rain now, so we're not gonna have lunch at the beach that we're supposed to have lunch at. So we're gonna go over to Cayuga Lake, have lunch over there because it's a lot safer, and the storm is not over that way as hard.
Kayangan Lake with mandatory. No life jacket, no entry.
So we're here at Kayangan Lake. We're docking here for lunch. They were gonna serve us on the boat. It's all part of the tour. And then this is also a view deck where we can take some nice pictures. This is where the picture postcards of Coron take place. It's a little sprinkly right now, but we're gonna sit in here and eat lunch. I'm not eating that.
You're not?
I never eat. Sorry, Nemo. Mga ubes, mga Jaycationers, nandito kami sa Kayangan Lake. Beautiful, look at all the limestones and stuff. The water is perfect. I'm loving it, taking photo shoots left and right on the bangka. We just had lunch here, and then we're gonna go into the lake. It's a little sprinkly right now, so I'm like, drone or no drone? I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna fly the drone here. I don't wanna get too greedy, you know? Yada I mean? You can't swim here. This is where the boats dock. You can swim in the lake. On a sunny day, it would be even more beautiful, but like this water is some clear stuff. We're about to go up on the view deck. Here you're supposed to wear your vest. That's why I'm wearing this 50-cent vest right now. We're going up 163 steps up to the viewpoint, and then 204 going down. Well worth it. Let's go. Boots to asses, baby. Boots to asses, JJ. You gotta keep going up even though your toes freaking cramping right now. Freaking cramping, bro. Dude, my ass is cramping. I might not even go up this sucker. For the vlog, Jay the Heat. For the vlog. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Like and comment. Have you been to Coron before? Whew, I'm not like tired, I'm just cramping. We're here at Cayuga Lake. It's beautiful scenery, but it's freaking pouring rain. I've been trying to cover my camera in my backpack, so I'm not able to take some great shots. Been doing some GoPro shots, but It's let off a little bit. It's freaking pouring rain right now, guys. Pouring rain. So we're here at Siete Pecados. Basically 7 islands. Anong Pecados?
Name of 3 makasalanan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that small island right there is the 7th Pecado. If you guys were wondering if the Siete Pecados were part of the 7,000 plus islands in the Philippines, yes. So 7 of these small islands, granted they're small islands, they still count as part of the 7,000. It's a great diving area. You can see some really exotic and tropical fish, some really nice coral around here. You guys already know I'm not down for that, but the other Jay, our tour guide, Jay, it only makes sense that my tour guide's name is Jay for Jaycation. Anyways, he's got my GoPro right now, so let's cut to that footage in 3, 2, 1.
Ariel, listen to me. The human world, it's a mess. Life under the sea is better than anything they got up there. The seaweed is all...
Hello. Hi. I'm Romel Avillana, the owner of this boat.
How many years have you owned this boat?
Running 3 years.
And how many boats do you have?
2.
Dalawang boats.
Yeah.
Pwede ka magtagalog dito, mga viewers ko, mga Filipino. At American.
Kung gusto nyo pumunta ng Coron, Palawan, maganda.
Maganda dito.
Maganda dito. But taunin nyo lang na mga buwan ng March, April, May.
Oh. Yeah. Right now it's June, so so it's rainy season.
Rainy season. Always storm.
Nakakatakot. Well, yeah, I'll link K tours below, and yeah, they took care of us.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Muchas gracias.
Yeah, muchas gracias to my Spanish fans.
Yeah.
We met at the hostel, and she was down to go on a tour today because we've been wasting time at the hostel just playing quiz nights, beer pong. She's terrified right now because the weather sucks, but it's not that bad. I'm trying to convince her that, because y'all know I'm a like little chicken. Natalie, you know Bruno Mars has a song about you? I'm gonna play it right now. Yeah, Bruno Mars has a song called Natalie.
No,
Yeah,
really?
and she took all his money.
Oh, I would never do that, but
She took all his money.
Unfortunately.
Her, my friends Gabby, shout out to Gabby, and Tia. What's up, Tia? Hope y'all are watching Jaycation. They were my first 2-3 videos when I first started my channel. We're gonna have to go there eventually. So Perth Tourism, if you're watching.
Damn straight.
You have fun though?
Yeah, definitely. No, still worth it. Just sitting on the boat for this last bit.
Yeah. What's your highlight?
Definitely Twin Lagoon. That was really
Yeah,
cool.
Twin Lagoon was awesome.
Yeah.
I would have enjoyed the lake more,
Yeah.
but it rained.
Yeah.
Y'all saw that. It was freaking
It
pouring
was,
rain.
yeah. It was pretty cool though. I'm not sure if you could tell. We watched the rain coming at us, so we could see the rain far away, and then it just got closer and closer, and it was all over us. So as far as rain goes, that was pretty cool.
It was like that scene in Jurassic Park when it was like crazy pouring rain, and then the freaking T-Rex just comes out of nowhere. That's like exactly. I'm gonna try to find that clip. So show that clip right now. We're gonna enjoy the rest of the day and.
Yeah.
Jay, salamat. Thank you, Jaycation. Alright, Jaycationers, so that's it for Coron Island hopping. It was a rainy one, it was a challenging one. I didn't let the rain be an excuse to wash away my dreams. So think about that, guys. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not a great drone flyer, but I tried, guys, I tried. So, hey, it's worth it.